100% polyester. Pokémon design. Pokémon brings its top players to this cool and colorful pop-up hamper. Young Pokémon trainers will be excited to see their favorite characters Pikachu, Charmander, Bulbasaur Eevee and Meowth as they do their best to catch 'em all. Versatile use. This spacious pop-up hamper isn't just used as a laundry basket. The versatile design creates a fashionable and functional container for toys, books, clothes and more. Use it in the bedroom, bathroom, nursery, playroom, family room at home or at school daycare to add essential and convenient colorful storage space. Foldable design. Swap out bulky heavy hampers for this lightweight, folding and portable design. This convenient hamper keeps its shape so it will stand upright even when empty, but easily folds down for space-saving flat storage when not in use. Folded or upright, the durable mesh material promotes airflow to help eliminate moisture and odors. High quality. Kids will love the eye-catching character-themed details on this pop-up hamper, and parents will appreciate the high-quality construction. Two sides are crafted from breathable polyester mesh while the other two feature durable nylon. Reinforced handles add strength and ensure the hamper is easy to lift and move as a carrier or caddy. The easy-care lightweight and long-lasting materials can be spot cleaned as needed. Item includes 1 lightweight character design pop-up hamper measuring 14.17 by 14.17 by 22.83. Featuring a convenient collapsible design, this compact hamper can be easily moved and stored for in-home, camping or traveling use, perfect for your little organizer and makes a great gift for toddler and children cartoon fans. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my son's Jurassic Park World room. I love how it's not too big, or too small, it's just the right size. Sometimes I overload my washer because of the size of my laundry baskets, and this limits that, so once it's full, it's the perfect size for a load of laundry.